Alright, so today I want to show you how to properly paint your door so that you get a nice smooth finish. And going into this, you know you're going to do at least 2 coats. But the great thing about this is you don't have to do primer, you don't have to do a top coat. Our product is self-sealing and it's a durable top coat as well. And so you don't have to put anything else over it. First off though, what you're going to need is you're going to need obviously your paint, your brush, a stir stick, your can opener, and then your roller and your pads that came with it. So you really want to make sure as well that you stir every time you stir your paint. You can shake it if you really want to, but sometimes shaking it causes some air bubbles which might show up in your finish. And so we recommend that you just stir it really well. You know, 30 seconds or so, and just make sure that anything in the bottom is now all mixed through thoroughly. With your roller, a good tip is to, instead of shoving it all the way to the end, it can cause your roller to catch on that bracket. Just pull it out maybe 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, and that way your roller rolls really smoothly. You don't have to worry about it catching it all. So I start off with my edges. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go right in this inside edge all along here, and then also this outside edge. And you do your brushing first because then when you roll it's going to smooth it all out. So I dip it in, and you want to lay it fairly thick, but not, you don't want globs of paint everywhere. And remember, you are going to do 2 coats. And you're going to sand with a sponge in between. Be aware of any dripping that you have here. Just make sure that you catch all that, because you don't want to have globs of paint sticking around on the front side of your door. So with your roller, you want to make sure that it's wet. Don't be afraid to throw it on there. Put a lot of paint on there. It's okay. You want to make sure that it's always wet, because if it's not, then it's going to pull the paint up. All right. Okay, we're looking good. Give that about half an hour, and then we'll do a second coat on the back and then flip it over and do the top side.